The Belkin difference. Pioneer in technology and innovation for over 30 years. Play music from your iPhone without an adapter. Single cable solution supports iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XS, XS Max, XR, by 8/8 Plus, 7/7 Plus. Connects to car stereos and home, portable speaker systems. Convenient 3-foot, 0.9mm and 6-foot, 1.8mm lengths available. Cord speakers auxiliary hear radio. Top reviews from the United States. Great audio cable for iPhone, iPad to output. Don't be fooled by this product. It's still a great product, however. Disclaimer. It is not for Airpods Max. That is an almost identical yet exclusive cable sold only by Apple. This is a great little, long, cable for transporting audio from your iPhone or iPad to an output. I bought it on a whim of its price being so low compared to the cable I actually needed for my Airpods Max and didn't pay attention to the description. I am still pleased with the purchase as it suits other needs for me to play music from my iPhone, iPad to my computer for lazy mode music while gaming. Fun.